Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss average DAX function in Power BI. If you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Be with me till end of this video. Be with me till end of the 45 days DAX challenge series. I promise you will have clear understanding of each and every DAX function which I'm going to discuss for the next 45 days. I have copied the playlist link into the description box. You can check it out. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see average function in detail. So here I'm on Power BI desktop. So before I explain anything, I'll tell you the definition, like what is the average function. So it's very easy function, okay, and it returns the arithmetic mean of all the numbers in a column. That is nothing but that sum of that column divided by total rows in a column, okay, and it will work only with numeric data type and it will ignore blank. Fine. So if I tell you, so what is average? This is nothing but that sum of this amount column which I have discussed in a previous day. You can watch it out, okay, and divided by total. So how many total rows here is? Total 50. So what it will do is it will sum up this total, will divide it by 50. So whatever the result will be, that will be the average of this amount column. Okay, so let's create a new measure and write DAX for this. So I'll name this as average amount. Okay, so average amount is, see, we have three functions, that is average, average A, average X. So in this video I'll discuss average. In some other videos I'll discuss average A and average X. So fine. So average of what? Average of sales amount column. If I press enter, I got one new measure. Okay, if I click one new card and drag this average amount into card and I'll change display unit to none, then we got average amount. So average amount is 5035.94 rupees. Okay, so this is the average amount. So how, like if someone does not know average function, then how they should calculate? So what it will do is, so already like I have calculated total amount here as I have discussed earlier. So total amount is I have calculated. So what I'll do is I'll click this card and will pull total amount into this card. So this is total amount. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll count the total number of rows in a this sales table. So how we can do is I'll say total rows. We have one function that is distance count. Okay, distance count of what? You can take the primary key of this table, so sales ID column. Why? Because this sales ID will not repeat. Okay, that is the why I am using distance count. If this can repeat, then you can use some other function that is nothing but count rows and all, so which I'll discuss in some other videos. So as of now, let's learn distance count. So what it will give is the output will be, so the output will be nothing but the how many rows are there in the table. So we have total 50 rows, as you could see here, total 50 rows. Okay, so now I'll calculate average. So what is average? Average is nothing but this total amount divided by total rows. Okay, so I'll create again one new measure. I'll say, let's say average, okay, equal to total amount. Okay, total amount divided by total rows. I'll create one new card and we'll paste this. See, we got 50.04k. So if I do format painter, then we got the exact result, that is nothing but 5035.94. So either you can do this all this, like to calculate total sum, then count number of rows and then divide this total amount by total rows, to skip all this long process, we have average function. That is simple, use average of that particular column. I hope you understood. Still, if any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section. And if you are here for the first time, so please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye.